Hello everyone, in this video I will be telling about C++ programming. First of all, C is a programming language developed in the 1970s alongside the Unix operating system. So C is actually the extension of C is C++. So first of all we talk about C. So C provides a comprehensive set of features for handling a wide variety of applications such as system development and scientific computations. C++ is an extension of the C language in that most C programs are also C++ programs. C++ as opposed to C supports object-oriented programming. So OOPS concept is also implemented. Fine, this is a general program of C++ in which the header file is #include directive. Whichever header file you want to include, int main function, const declaration, variable declaration, executable statement, and return type 0, and then curly braces close. Next, C++ keywords. Keywords appear in blue in Visual C++. So the color of the keywords is usually blue, as you can see below, like boolean, break, case, char, const, name, space, switch, type def. So all these are the keywords in C++, and the color of it would be automatically blue. This is the example of the same. Now this is a program example in which #include IOStream is for input output stream using namespace std, int main, int first, then cout is just like printf, we do in system.out.print println in Java. In C++ we write cout for output and cin for input, scanf and like printf. Fine, in C as we use. So just same as that. Endl means end of line, and this less than sign is also used. Less than in case of cout and greater than in case of cin, scanf, right? Next program is again a demonstration in which IOStream, as I told you, input output stream using namespace std void main or int main. Actually in yes, C++ it's very important. The return type of main function is always integer, int. That is very important. Next, just some output printf statements. Now C++ identifiers. Identifiers appears in black in Visual C++, and identifier is a name for a variable, constant, function, etc. Just a name, like I say int x. So x is an identifier. Fine. So that is identifiers are case sensitive. Yes, they are case sensitive. Case sensitive means if I'm writing something in uppercase and if I'm writing something in lowercase, that is treated both differently. Next, C++ comments. Comments are like this, either / or / and asterisk. So single line comment is / / and multiple line comment is / and asterisk, and multiple line comment closing asterisk and /. Now C++ compiler directive. This is just the library functions of C++. Compiler directive appear in blue in Visual C++. The #include directive tells the compiler to include so many already exist C++ codes in your program. The included file is then linked with the program. There are two forms of #include statement. Number one is #include IOStream, that is for predefined files, and #include mylib.h for user defined files. My lib is for library function, okay. .h is for header file. Now C++ programming style. C++ is a free format language, which means that extra blank spaces or tabs before or after identifier operators are ignored. Blank lines are ignored by the compiler, just like comments. Codes can be intended in any way. There can be more than one statement on a single line. A single statement can continue over several lines. So that is all about C++ an introduction. Thank you. I hope so you understand the concept well. Thank you and have a nice day.